Hi.
Hi,
Hi, I'm Swandi.
I'm Andreas.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How
So
are
I believe that this is the place to be before I buy a new bike.
you? Yes, that would be
Cool.
perfect. We take your measurements
Yes.
and we see which bike fits perfectly to your body.
How you do
Let's
this?
do it. So, we put in your name. You can do it yourself if you like. Last
Thank
name,
you. I will
first
do
name.
that.
First thing we're going to do is a body scan. So we're going to measure your body. We have a laser system here. Looks like this. And
Wow.
I'll use the laser to measure your body. We have 5 measuring points. We start with the inner leg length, which is the most important part for us. Then we take the lower leg length so that we can see lower leg, upper leg. Then we take the arm length and
Wow.
the height to the breastbone. We'll use this thing to measure the inner leg length. Just push it down, step over it, and see that it's level. Next point is the kneecap. So
Okay.
I'm going to touch your kneecap. Next point is the wrist. You can see your wrist bone here. I'll go just below your wrist bone. That's my measuring point. The shoulder.
Yes.
Got the shoulder bone here and where the bone stops. That's our measuring point. And the last point is the breastbone height. So put your finger under the little hole between the collarbones. And I'll just take
Like this?
here. Your finger. That's it.
Wow.
Okay, you can put on your shoes again.
Thank you.
That's it.
That's cool.
So here we've got your bike. Looks
Wow.
nice. Nice
Awesome.
Fuji bike.
Thank you.
Let's take a look if the size fits and if we
Perfect.
can adjust it to your position.
Awesome. Can't wait.
Okay, we put it on the scanner. So the first thing we do is measure the saddle
Cool.
and then we look at the cockpit.
Awesome.
So I start with the saddle.
Let's have a look.
Yeah, let's have a look. End of the saddle. And saddle nose. Then the bottom bracket.
Yes.
So measuring point is in the middle of the bottom bracket. I press the green button and then we're ready to go. So the system tells me where to put the saddle. You see the two fields here? They are green, yellow and red
Yes.
now. They need to be green and the number
Wow.
needs to be 0. So put the laser to 0, 0.
Wow.
So that's where the saddle needs to be.
How's that?
So I just moved the saddle a little bit lower. So let's take a look. Perfect, looks good. So we have the seat height,
Yes. Yeah.
there you
A
go.
bit better.
Then saddle nose. So we move to the handlebars.
Yes.
Let's see what we do here. Length to 0. Handlebar drop to 0. So we need to remove the spacers, 3 spacers, and then the position will be perfect. We do not need to change the stem.
Great.
Length is good.
Great.
So just the handlebar drop needs to be adjusted.
All right.
We'll do it in the workshop. 15 minutes, you're ready to go. It's not a big deal. You
Awesome.
can grab a coffee and then you're ready to go.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Can't wait.
Yeah, great
Let's
bike.
do this.
It fits perfectly.
Thank you.